In today's video, I'm going to share with you the baby shower that I helped create for my niece. This was a welcome sign that I created. This can easily be blown up to poster size to display outside of the party room. We had 6 tables and this was one of the centerpieces. I cut out 6 images of the little girl and attached one to each side of a glass vase. I added some gold trim around the top. I placed the vase in a clear dish with pink carnations, and I filled the vase with pink carriages. These also doubled as decor around the room. Here's a shot of the mommy-to-be and daddy-to-be corsages. I cut this sign out from glitter cardstock using my Cricut and strung it. I made these signs in Photoshop and used them for several areas including the favors, Don't Say Baby, Sweets and Treats, and the gift and raffle tables. Here's a look at the treat bags. I used small white bags with a handle and placed a little girl on the front. I added the thank you sign with blue and pink ribbon. These custom chapstick labels were included in the bags. Also included were these small hand sanitizers with a custom label. All of the labels were made in Photoshop to keep with the theme. These were the printouts for the games. These clear cups can be purchased online. The paper mache word baby is easy to construct as well. You can purchase a horn from your local craft store along with paper mache letters, flowers, and glitter cardstock. Trace everything and cover the front of the letters. Add the flowers, unicorn horn, and unicorn image. I made this card box using a white square box and lid. I cut a slit in the top so that the cards could be inserted. I placed gold trim around the opening. I added flowers around the edge and cut ears from white and gold glitter cardstock. I took another horn and covered it with Mod Podge and then covered it with gold glitter. I used 2 pink hearts from an old Valentine's Day flower set to act as a bow for the horn. I drew the eyes and painted them using black paint. Here's a look at the signs for the candy table. I made these water bottle labels and attached them to the side of the water bottles using tape. Here's a look at the cake. This could easily be customized and purchased from your local bakery. Here's a few of the treats. These are candy-covered pretzels. These cookies can be customized and ordered from your local bakery. This was some homemade unicorn bark made using colorful candy melts and sprinkles. These unicorn cake pops can be made at home or purchased from your local bakery. I took a simple tray and added Lindor truffles. These clear tubes contain colorful chocolate candies with shredded purple paper and a unicorn topper. Lastly, we had custom colored candy apples in shades of pink, light blue, and purple, and included the little girl on top of the stick and added a ribbon bow. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.